Today we're running our first ever marathon, and if we finish, it'll be the furthest we've ever run. To be clear, we are exceedingly average runners. We've been running for about a year now, but we haven't been following any kind of guide. This marathon has a 6-hour cutoff, so our only goal today is to finish before they make us stop. We've also decided to run this race together. Start and finish by each other's side. Let's see how this goes.
To your left, I am standing in the 10-minute pace.
Making a loop around to the right and coming back.
Okay, everybody needs to be behind the line, please. Everybody's back behind the line who's running this race.
All right, we're doing this now for a minute 15 seconds. They're still coming, still coming. Good job, folks.
Please don't hit the sign. Do not hit the sign. Do not hit the banner. Please, do not hit the banner. Do not touch the banner. Here we go.
We just passed the first mile, feeling good. It's currently 61 degrees out. This course is described as being flat as a pancake, and it's supposed to be 85% shaded. So as far as marathons go, this one is pretty beginner friendly.
We found the right pace group. They're walking and then running, which is not what we want to do, but we know it's the right speed, so as long as we stay with them, we're good.
Bad news though, I forgot my AirPods.
So neither of us is going to listen to music.
5K finish up on the right. Here comes another pacer, 5-hour pacer.
We just passed the 5K mark. My goal for starting off this marathon was to keep a good pace. I did my first half marathon earlier this year, and I started off with a group that was way too fast for me, and in an effort to try to keep up with them, I way overexerted my legs and was cramping by like mile 3. Also, this race is a lot smaller. The 5K, half marathon, and marathon runners all started at the same time. So every time people pass me, I just tell myself that they're running like the 5K or the half marathon. Don't try to keep up with them.
My feet are numb. I don't know if that happens to anyone else, but my feet always go numb when I run. My feet are so numb, I might have to walk a little bit. Besides that, I'm feeling good. We're 6.8 miles in, feeling good. My feet aren't numb anymore. So to train for this, we've been doing light runs, like 3 miles or so during the week by ourselves. And then for the past 5 weeks or so, we've been doing one long run on the weekends. We used to not like running together.
Okay.
Because we have different paces, at least when we're going slow. But these long runs are so brutal that it's just so nice to be able to like support each other because it takes forever.
I know for me, when we do the long runs, I always feel good at the beginning because we're just starting out, and I feel good at the end because I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. But the middle is where I always feel discouraged and like we're gonna be running forever. So it's nice to have Caleb to run with so I don't just stop.
8 miles, woo!
Woo. I've run out of the excuse that people passing me are doing the half marathon now.
Good job, guys.
Thanks. The herd's thinned out quite a bit. It's much quieter on the road now.
Mile 9. Woo.
I want to block.
Salted water on?
Yeah, that works.
Just got to 9 miles. A third done. We're taking our first gel break.
I'm trying these out. They're pretty good so far. I'm coming around to the whole gel thing. I thought it was kind of funny at first, but it's kind of useful, especially when they have caffeine in them. The caffeine ones, oof, they help a lot. 10 down. Only 16.2 to go.
Yay!
Mile 11. Who is that?
My parents.
Go, Lindsey and Caleb.
Bravo.
How's it going?
It's going.
We'll see you at the end.
Okay.
Good job, guys.
You're looking great.
Woo!
That's all.
Mile 12. Halfway. It's getting hard, but we'll make it. We're starting to fall off pace a little bit, but that's okay. We still have enough time to finish, so we'll see how it goes. Whew, 1-4.
Ready?
Yep.
Get back in. Ease back in. Running.
16. Oh man. Whew. I think we're in just finished territory now. I was really hoping we'd be able to break 5 hours, which is an 11:28 pace, but I think we're just in, we have to finish in under 6 hours territory now. Our pace has dropped to 11:32 on average, and we still have another 10 miles.
Mile 17. We just got to mile 18. We're having a second gel break. If you've noticed, I have this bruise on my arm. I'm fine now, but about a week ago, I got in a motorcycle crash. Next year, Caleb and I are planning to travel the world, and one of the things that we have on the list is riding the Ha Giang Loop in Vietnam on scooters or small motorcycles. So Caleb's a really experienced motorcycle rider. I'm not. So what I did a couple weeks ago was take my motorcycle training class. I took the safety course. I got the motorcycle certification added to my driver's license. And then I wanted to get some extra practice in before we actually left. So my uncle has a collection of motorcycles. I was doing some loops just in his driveway. And I was trying to come to a stop at some point, and well, instead of hitting the brake, I hit the throttle, and I throttled right into Caleb and a concrete wall.
I'm so sorry.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
I'm sorry.
No. You're all right. You stand up. All right. Get off.
How are you feeling?
I'm okay. So I took that as a sign to maybe not try to ride my own motorcycle in Vietnam. Just ride on the back of Caleb's. Yeah.
$19. Oh man. I'm in walking territory right now. Man, my legs are just hurting really bad today. We have 2 hours until the deadline, and we have less than 6 miles. So I think we can walk a 20-minute pace. Probably not gonna walk the rest of the way, but feeling confident that we'll at least make the cutoff. Mile 21, 5.2 more miles, and I'm gonna sit down.
4 more miles.
We've decided that we're walking the rest of the way. Mile 23, it's officially the furthest we've gone.
A beautiful sight.
Y'all run your marathon, we will use our scooters.
We were good the
Nice.
whole time. We were just next to you the entire way.
25 miles. Woo.
26.2 on the watch. We're rounding the corner to the finish line.
Woo. So close. 26.
Caleb. Sorry. Hey, we've got another award winner in here, 70-74 category. Bernie Powers came in at 5:30:48. Come on up here to center field. Pick up your slip.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. You guys are the best. If you're still watching this, Lindsey and I are leaving San Francisco to travel the world. If you're interested in seeing us do things like stay in Thailand's most unique accommodations, hike to Everest Base Camp, or motorcycle across Vietnam, be sure to subscribe. We start releasing those videos in February 2025. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. See you next time.